Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an immediate resignation letter. What is an immediate resignation letter? An immediate resignation letter is a document that notifies your employer that you are leaving your job 1 or 2 days before. It formalizes your departure from your current employment and can be submitted by email or as a printed letter. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an immediate resignation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And write the recipient of the letter. You can write the full name and the occupation or just straight write the company name. Under it, write the address of the company. When you write the address, mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with salutation like Dear Mr., or Mrs., or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, write how regret you are writing this letter to inform the recipient that you want to resign. When you state your resignation, you should also mention your job position or title or occupation in the company. And mention also the name of the company. Besides that, state very clearly when your resignation starts effectively. Here, you should mention the date. You can use the format of month, date, and year. In this example, the writer wants to resign starts from tomorrow. In the second paragraph, show your sincere apology for writing this immediate resignation letter. As you know, every company asks employees to write at least 2 weeks' notice before resigning. And here, you disobey the rule for some reasons. Therefore, you should apologize. Convince the recipient that this situation is outside your control. And tell the recipient how you must leave the company like really immediately. In the third paragraph, you should offer yourself to help the company for the process of transition. Sometimes, company requires the employee to train the new employee a bit about how the works need to be done. And here, you should be willing to help as it is a part of your responsibility. And give your contact information for the company to ask some queries or so on. You can give your phone number, home number, or email address. And the last paragraph, don't forget to thank the recipient for their understanding. And say something good about the company. You can say how the job gives you wonderful opportunity to learn and grow in your career or something. And it is very important to apologize once again. Show you're sincere that you really apologize for leaving the company so abruptly. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature and your full name under it. So, that's how you write an immediate resignation letter. You can only write this letter in emergency. Of course, it is highly recommended to write 2 weeks' notice instead. So, that's how you write an immediate resignation letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.